Course organization is a crucial part of any course, but it's especially important in an online learning environment. When a student accesses a well-planned and structured online course, they can concentrate their time and efforts on learning. How you present materials and structure learning directly impacts your students' overall experience in the course. Consistent course organization relates to one of the best practices talked about in this training: student engagement. A well-organized course makes it easy and efficient for students to navigate and find what they need. Students can then spend their time engaging with the material and their classmates, rather than searching for materials or emailing the instructor with questions on where to find content or post assignments. Part of organization is maintaining consistency. NU Online utilizes a standard course template with placeholders for weekly supporting materials and instructor perspective. Using a course template ensures that students won't have to relearn how to take a course within NU Online each time they begin a new class. They'll know where to find materials, allowing them and you, the instructor, to focus on course content, not on course navigation. The template contains folders and links for course announcements, the course syllabus, your faculty profile, course materials, the course discussion board, Blackboard tools, and the My Grades area. Using this template for your course does not mean you need to change your teaching style. Instead, it ensures that in each week's lesson, you're providing all the materials a student will need to be successful. The NU Online course template is embedded already within your course site in Blackboard. Use this template as a guide, and remember to remove any informational text prompts, marked in red, to avoid student confusion. Even if they're marked unavailable, this is a good way to stay organized and keep your materials easy to navigate. As a new instructor, your first task is to set up your course materials page to have the correct number of weekly folders by copying the Week X folder. The folders and items within weekly template folders are placeholders for content. Within each weekly course materials folder, you'll find 3 folders: supporting materials, instructor perspective, and assignments. Within the supporting materials folder, you'll place supplemental readings, podcasts, and videos. Within the instructor perspective folder, you'll place materials you've created, such as lectures. The assignments folder is where weekly assignments should be posted. Folders are meant to hold more than one item. If you have only one item for a particular folder, for example, if there's only one reading assigned to a given week, delete the folder and create an item to replace it. When building your course, make sure to remove any duplicate items or placeholders. Remember to also check for duplicates in the left-hand navigation bar. For example, items like course tools or websites, are they listed twice? As a new instructor, you'll not have any duplicates in your course shell, as duplicates happen when a course is copied from term to term. Review your course material folders and make sure the correct folders are available. The course template automatically has weeks 1 and 2 set to be available to students. CPS students are often working full-time and appreciate the opportunity to look ahead at what's coming up in the course. We recommend that you make upcoming weeks available to students 1 week ahead of time. Also, keep past weeks available so students can go back and review course materials. You may also be copying your course from a previous term into a current course shell. When instructors copy material from previous courses, items can often be duplicated and dates for availability can be incorrect. Here are some common areas that may need review after you've copied your course. Ensure the dates of your course materials are updated and correct for the upcoming term. Check to make sure that the discussion board has populated correctly and that your discussion board threads are not marked as having an anonymous author. Another best practice is to be mindful of the file size of your content. We recommend that you stream video and audio content so that multimedia content is easier to access and your Blackboard course is not bogged down with large files. This process is made easier through the Kaltura Media Server, a video sharing service which works directly in Blackboard. Kaltura allows you to record, store, and playback multimedia content and is easily viewed on all major browsers and mobile devices. A good way of checking the organization of your course is to look at it the way your students will see it. You can do this by using the Student Preview feature. Student Preview will allow you to navigate your course exactly as a student would. You can see My Grades, where students see the grades and feedback, as well as interact with the course just as a student would. If you're wondering how students use assignments, wikis, and the discussion board, use the Student Preview option to explore your class as your students do. When you're done, click on Exit Preview and you'll return to the normal view of your course. It's a best practice to delete your Student Preview account when leaving Student Preview mode. Keeping your course organized with the template provided by NU Online ensures that your students will find content easily and be able to spend more time engaging with the course materials and their classmates.